Deciphering, on air, behind the scenes. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, on air. Ever wondered what it means and how to use it in a sentence? Well, wonder no more. Let's unravel the mysteries of this phrase together. On air refers to something being broadcast or transmitted, usually over the radio or television. It indicates that a particular program, show, or event is currently being shown to the audience. Imagine a radio host with the red light turned on, indicating they're live and broadcasting. That's the situation we're talking about. Examples: the show is on air right now. Please be quiet. We're going on air in a few seconds. Ever wondered where this term came from? On air historically relates to the early days of radio and television broadcasting. When a show was live or currently being broadcast, it was said to be on the airwaves, which was then shortened to on air. The phrase paints a picture of signals traveling through the air to reach radios and televisions. While the term on air originated with radio and TV, in today's digital age, it has also been adapted to new media. It can be used for live streaming events on the internet, podcasts, and other forms of live broadcasting platforms. Examples: our podcast goes on air every Friday evening. The live stream of the concert will be on air at 8 p.m. Many learners confuse on air with being in the air, which usually refers to something flying or being up in the sky. Remember, on air is all about broadcasting. Incorrect. The birds are on air. Correct. The birds are in the air. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, on air. The next time you come across this term, whether it's in a news broadcast, podcast, or live stream, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase. Keep exploring and stay curious.